Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your audio ID public in Roblox. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, do make sure that your profile is verified. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to your profile, click on it, or go to the top right here and click on the gear icon and click on settings. Now in here, make sure that your account is verified. Okay, right here. Your account or age is verified because you won't be able to set the audio ID public if you are not verified. Okay, so once you're verified, go to create right here at the top. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to creations. In here, as you can see, we have the development items tab. Just click on it. Now go ahead over to audio, like so. And as you can see here, I have mine right here, which is already in the creator store and was verified. Okay, so to do the same thing, all right, to make your audio ID public, you can upload your asset right here. Make sure that the asset type is set to audio. Make sure that you upload these file types, okay, to be MP3, OGG, FLAC, or WAV. So upload right here. All right, as you can see here, I have my MP3 right here. I'm just going to click on it, hit on open. Now go ahead and edit the name and the description. All right, and once done, just click on upload. Wait for it to load. And then once done, as you can see here, it is uploaded, but it is not on the creator store yet. That means that it is not public. So what you'll do is just go ahead and click on the MP3 file that you just uploaded. Wait for it, and under configure. So once you're in this page, you'll be able to see the distribution section. Okay, before you'll have a green banner right here that will say submit for review, but now it has changed. Okay, just basically wait for this option to pop out. And it says here enabling store is unavailable at this time. Please check back later. Okay, but if you do have that option to submit for review right here, just go ahead and click on it and wait for the time that you can enable this option. Okay, and sometimes when you go ahead and restart the browser right here, as you can see, just restart it and it will say approved to distribute. Well, that means you can go ahead and enable this slider, and then just go ahead and click on save changes. All right, that's basically it. You can now then go ahead and go back right here, and as you can see, the Meow right here, or the Meow MP3, is now on the creator store. Now, if in some cases you won't be able to see the pop-up right here, you can go ahead and choose another browser. I would highly recommend Brave. Okay, as you can see here, I'm currently using Brave with the shield on. Use Brave, do the same thing. Okay, go ahead over to creation, upload the audio again, follow the instructions right here in this video, and you should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.